Hi everyone! So in this video I'm going to draw Yuji Itadori from Jujutsu Kaisen. So let's start by drawing a center line. And after the center line, gonna draw two lines for the eyes or eyebrows because it's gonna cover both of them. Like you're all here watching my video, so watch till the end and like the video, don't forget it. And now let's start drawing with the left eyebrow first. And subscribe too if you liked my content and you love to draw anime. And also if you think I'm doing a hard work, I'm doing a great job and I am underrated, so you can subscribe to my channel as a support and watch my videos daily. So right now, after drawing the eyebrow and the eyelid, I drew the upper line of the eye, and now I'm drawing the lens before drawing the waterline. And now after drawing the left eye, I'm drawing the nose bridge on the right side of the center line. And just above the nose bridge, I'm drawing the right eyebrow. And before drawing the right eye, let's draw this line from the left one so that both of them stay equal to each other. And now as you can see, both the eyes and the eyebrows are done. I'm trying to draw the face shape starting from the side of both the eyes. And after that, let's draw the ears. And as I tell in my every video that ears start from the eyes and end at the nose almost. And now let's draw this line to locate the nose, trying to make a connection because in Yuji's case, ears are not equal to the nose. It's my first time seeing such a human. His ears are not ending at nose but starting from the eyes. No, not even starting from the eyes. Anyway, let's complete the jawline. And before drawing the chin, I think we should locate the mouth first. And you can just draw one line for the mouth like this, but actually it's not like this in the reference photo, so I'm gonna proceed as it is in the reference photo. And now after drawing the mouth, let's draw the chin too. Draw the neck and then I will be drawing his uniform. So now finally I have decided to draw the hairs too. By the way, if Itadori was bald, he will look like this. Kinda cute still, by the way. Just still drawing the hair and got no easy way. But you need to draw triangles and zigzag like this. And before drawing the rest of your, you can draw a circle too. And then proceed along with the circle. So hairs are finally done. What is this? I think I need to remove it. And let's draw it again. It was not looking good at all. Done and good now. And now let's just complete it according to the reference photo, and then I will be starting the shading after doing the outline. So finally the sketch is done and it's time to remove it. Now picking up an 8B pencil to do the outline. Outline is complete, and let's use a 2B pencil to do the shading. After using the 2B, I'm using a 2H pencil to do the rest of shading in the hair because it's far more lighter. So the beginner tutorial is done and now I'm doing some more shading, and currently I'm using a 4B pencil. Darker pencil obviously. And right now I am making the shades or the shadows in the shirt or uniform. So after the dark shading, let me use the 2B pencil, which is lighter than 4B, and shade in the whole uniform. And now switching again to a lighter grade, it's a 2H pencil which is lighter than the normal HB pencil, and let's shade in the rest of the uniform, which is hoodie. And I am using the same pencil to shade in the hairs. Okay, finally our shading is done, and now let's do a little bit blending with the blending stump. Remember not to use the dirty side on light areas, it will make them dark too. So finally shading is done too, and let's use a white paint marker to make a white shining dot in the buttons. And finally let's do the signatures and go to see the final look. Here's the final look, and I hope you guys liked the video and it helped you a lot. And if yes, then subscribe and like the video.